Hello students, wish you a very wonderful morning. Here we have the fifth map that we are going to learn today. These are the passes and the latitude and longitude. So passes, there are two passes that you need to learn in board examination. First one is Karakoram Pass. Karakoram Pass, let me tell you what is the symbol of the pass when you level it on the map of India. The pass has to be leveled likewise. So when Karakoram Pass, when we level, it is located here. Here Karakoram range is there, and western side Karakoram K2 is there, and the eastern side of that I have not drawn exactly how the map of India is supposed to be. So eastern side of K2 where Karakoram Pass is located, right? So likewise you have to draw the symbol and you need to write Karakoram. Okay, so that is the place where Karakoram Pass is located. The second one is Nathula Pass. Nathula Pass is located in the Sikkim, the border area of Bhutan and Sikkim. So here you could see Mount Kanchenjunga is this side and Nathula Pass is that side of the border. So here also the same symbol has to be made. Make sure that you don't make so big and it will be wrong. So very carefully to the border of India and Bhutan, there you have to make and write, that is Nathula Pass. Okay, so this is how the passes are marked. And for marking, for leveling Tropic of Cancer, I said you need to learn the rivers, then only you will be able to mark all other maps of India. For the leveling of Tropic of Cancer, there are three places that you need to keep in mind. The first one is that you would see here Damodar river is there, right? Damodar river is there. So this above one is Damodar river and the below one tributary is there. There also one, keep 1 point, and eastern side of that Hooghly river is there. So there also should keep one mark. See here, when you see it exactly on the map, should be this tip above Gulf of Kutch, okay, and that should touch the rivers like river Chambal and river Betwa and tip of river Sun, tip of river Sun, okay. So 1, 2, 3, and here it is Tripura is there. You can just make a level of that. So 4 landmarks when you identify, you could level Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer should be leveled in dashes line. It should not be one single line. So now just with the help of skill, need to bit curve dashes line. You have to level it and then write over that Tropic of Cancer. Alright. The next one is Standard Meridian of India, where we follow the time. Right. So there is there 3 places to remember. The first one is the tip of, just if you can close to it, or it should not be so wide, should not be so close as well. The tip of Sri Lanka, and here Godavari Delta is located. The first line Godavari Delta. Here one point you should remember, and the third one is where Ganga and Yamuna is meeting, the Sangam place, where Ganga and Yamuna is meeting is a place called Prayagraj, is a place. And after leveling these 3 points, keep scale and likewise you can draw with the space line. All right. So this is how the standard meridian of India is leveled, and then write, you can write likewise, but I will write likewise standard meridian and after that in bracket you should write 82.5 east. Do not forget to write this longitudinal unit. Okay, 82.5 east. Okay, hope you have understood, and please send your practice map in Campus Care so that I will be knowing that you are practicing. Today only one person has sent, that is Drishti. All the maps she has sent to me and I just checked and corrected. It was fabulous and she has done well, practicing well. So I hope all of you are practicing, and if you could send in Campus Care, I will be knowing, yes, you are doing well at home. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.